I'm Anthony from Learning to Play the Guitar. Are you ready for Gravy Day this year on December 21? If not, it's time to learn how to play How to Make Gravy by Paul Kelly. So the chords in the song are E major, and then we're going to slide this E major shape up. There's two ways of using your fingers here. I'm going to show you what I'm doing in my demo. First though, is we're going to slide first finger to fret 2 on the G string, and the pair that was on fret 2s will slide onto fret 4s. So we have this stretched out shape there. And plus we have the open E, B and E strings at the same time. And this chord is sort of an F sharp minor thing. You can call it F sharp minor 7 add 4/E, but it's just an F sharp minor thing with an E in the bass really, and a B string added. For the next chord, we're just going to slide the shape up 2 frets to 4 and double 6. And that's a G sharp minor sort of thing, G sharp minor 6 with an E in the bass. And then we're going to slide back to the F sharp one as we did just before, and then it will go back to E. So that's the main theme, and 90% of the song are those 3 chords up and down. The other way of playing the stretchy chords I had for the F sharp and the G sharp is to use your first finger and fingers 3 and 4 if you find that stretch too hard. So you can also do it that way, and obviously same for the G sharp version. So that way is quite fine as well. And as we jump back to E. In the midsection we have an A chord, or A with an E in the bass, based chord. First finger on fret 6, a pair of fingers on fret 7s here. And then we want to slide back to the G sharp, which is at fret 4 and the pair of 6s. Then we slide back to the A again, the 6 and the 7s. Again with the open E, B, E strings all the way through this thing. And then we're going to slide up to fret 8 with my first finger and a pair of 9s. And this is like a B with an E in the bass with an extra E. So that's the chords for that middle section. And so the strumming here all the way through is pretty consistent. Listening to the track, we have this pattern of down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. So I'll do it again, and each chord will be the same. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. One more for fun. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And then we shift. I'll just do that first sequence, of course. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Up to the G sharp version. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, and back. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's that part. So the strumming for the middle section is the same as the other section of the song, but we'll just run through it once, of course, nice and briefly here. So we've got the A, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. The G sharp one, the 4 and the 6s, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Back to where we were on the A one, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And the B one, the 8 and the 9s. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. So throughout the song there's an electric guitar using a slide, playing various licks. So in the intro of the song there's a nice melody part which I've just demonstrated. So we're going to go through this right now. So the first part of this is mainly based on the B string, sliding up and down. And one of the tricks with the slide is I put the slide on my little finger here. I'm using a glass slide. You can use a brass one as well if you like, either way, as long as it works. So at fret 7 I'm going to pluck the note and slide to fret 5. Then from 5 I'm going to pluck it again and go back to 7 when the chords change back to F sharp. Then 7 to 9 when we go to G sharp. And then 9 back to 7. And then 7 back to 5. That sort of happens twice, roughly. So there's a little variation, but it's basically that idea during the intro. Then when the chords change to A, after there's another little electric guitar lick, which I'll go through as well, there's a little mini arpeggio part where we're going to play 4, 5, 4, which we'll show on the tab here. Happens twice. And then we're going to go up the B string, 4, 5, 7. A little slide into that, not really with the slide though, I think it's just with the finger. Then we go back to sliding around again, similar as before, but we're going to range higher up all the way to fret 12 with a B note and fret 10 with an A note. And there's some extra plucks as well. So step by step we've got the slide of course going. Fret 7, sliding to fret 9. 9 double hit. To fret 10, 10, 10, 12. And then 12 back to 10. 10, 9, 9, 9. Then a 9 again with a slow slide, so it's like it's slightly late. When you hear that on the track. 9, 10, 12, 12, sliding back, 10, 9. And that's sort of ending that. That's when the drums come in. And there's more elements of that throughout the song as it's going along. One thing with the slide too is I'm only really plucking the first of the pairs. So if I hit, for example, the 5, slide to the 7, I'm only plucking that first 5. The pressure of the slide and the sustain is built from that. So I have a little bit of overdrive on. Not a lot, but just enough to keep the note ringing out. So throughout the song, there's an electric guitar with a chorus effect added, giving it a slightly warbly sound like this, and so forth. And this electric guitar part is mucking around with the E major pentatonic scale, which is this thing. And in the intro, there's a nice little lick in between the other slide guitar part, which does this. And that's where the chords change to A. Subscribe to the Learning to Play the Guitar YouTube channel for more lessons. And don't forget to click on the bell to receive notifications when I upload a new video. You can also check out my books and more lessons at my website, learningtoplaytheguitar.net. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.